Hello friends, welcome to Bright Tag Designs. In today's video, we're going to redesign this flyer, and I'll be showing you exactly how you can create it step by step inside CorelDraw. So make sure to watch this video till the end so you understand the complete process clearly. And yes, if you'd like to get the CDR file of this design, just let me know in the comments box below, and I'll make sure to share it with you. Alright, so let's start the video. First of all, I'm going to select an A4 page size, as that will be the base size for this design. Now, let's begin by creating the background of our flyer. For that, I'll first select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle like this. Then I'll fill it with this color and remove its outline completely. Next, I'll apply a gradient fill to it to give it a smooth transition. I'll also apply the same color tone to the white part, but make it slightly darker from here, just like this. Now, I'll make a copy of this shape, reduce its height from the top, and fill it with black color. After that, I'll select the transparency tool, click here, and drag the color downward to create a nice fading effect. Then, I'll send it to the back using the page down key, and adjust its transparency carefully for a balanced look. Once that's done, I'll select both shapes, right-click, and group them together. Now, I'll position this group here and copy it to the opposite side of the page. After that, I'll press Ctrl+R to repeat the pattern automatically. Then I'll select all of them and press Ctrl+G again to group everything together. I'll move this entire group to the top of the page, make a copy, and position it on the other side. Then I'll copy both and place them at the bottom as well. Using Ctrl+R, I'll repeat the pattern so it fills the page nicely. Now, I'll select all the grouped objects, go to Object Order, and choose Reverse Order so that everything flips perfectly in sequence. Once that's done, I'll convert them to a bitmap. Next, I'll double-click on the rectangle tool, which automatically creates a rectangle that fits the page exactly. Then I'll bring it to the front using Page Up, right-click, and power clip everything inside the page area. And this is how it looks so far. Now, let's import a picture into our design. I'll right-click on an empty space and choose Import Picture. This image was actually created by me earlier using Gemini, and now I'll adjust it nicely on the page like this. Next, we need to add a yellow color block in the design. So, I'll draw out a rectangle like this using the rectangle tool. Fill it with this yellow color, and remove the outline again. Then, using the transparency tool, I'll make it slightly transparent, just like this. Now, we'll add some small dotted texture to enhance the background. For that, I'll draw another rectangle here. Fill it with black color and remove the outline. Then I'll go to Effects, Pointillizer tool, and a new window will pop up. I already have my settings ready, so I'll just click Apply. And as you can see, it creates this nice dotted texture. Next, I'll fill it with this color and use the transparency tool again to apply a linear gradient. After that, I'll send it behind the picture, so it adds depth to the composition. Now, I'll add some leaf graphics to give it a natural look. I already have the leaves copied, so I'll paste them here, adjust their position, and right-click to power clip them inside the desired shape. Then, I'll paste another one, mirror it horizontally and vertically, and adjust its placement again before power clipping it inside. Next, let's add the main text. I'll select the text, press Ctrl+K to break it apart. Remove the fill color and set the outline thickness to 4 points. Then, I'll group both text elements and place them behind the picture for a layered effect. After that, I'll add the remaining text elements to complete the layout. And that's it. This is how you can create this flyer design easily in CorelDraw. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and share it with others. Thank you so much for watching.